willkommen auf meinem Kanal. I am Mando and I am a German teacher. Here's a little bit about me. I'm from Greece. I have completed a bachelor's degree on German language in the University of Athens, and now I live in the US. In America, I am completing my studies in German education, and as a teacher, I would really like to help you guys and make this struggle on learning German a bit easier. I can personally speak 4 languages, and believe me, I know how hard learning a foreign language might be. But let's get back on the content of this channel. This channel is intended to be about German. Therefore, I will try my best to post on a weekly basis videos about German vocabulary, German grammar, and culture. However, because of my love for foreign languages, I am also planning on creating videos for Greek lessons. So if you also love foreign languages and you're looking to learn one, this is your channel. To keep up with my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell button and never miss a lesson. Thank you guys for watching. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.